In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to connect your LinkedIn ads account to HubSpot step by step. This is perfect if you want to track your ad campaigns and manage everything from one place inside HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to your HubSpot dashboard and go to your Marketing tab. Once you're in there, the next thing you need to do is head over to the Ads section. If you can't find it, you can use the search option, but it's usually easy to find. Go ahead and click on it. From there, you can see the ad platforms you can connect. You'll be able to view your ad campaigns, sequences, and more. If you don't see the option to connect a new ad account right away, click on Create or use the search and type in LinkedIn. You'll see LinkedIn ads in the list. Go ahead and click on it. Now click on Connect Account. This will open a new window where you can log into your LinkedIn account and connect it to HubSpot. Just sign in and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. That's it. Your LinkedIn ads account is now connected to HubSpot, and you can start tracking and managing your ads directly from your HubSpot dashboard. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more HubSpot tutorials, and check the links in the description if you're getting started with HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.